How to see recently watched videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, there you'll see the history section. So here, just beside history, just tap on view all button. And now here on the next page, you will be able to see all the recently watched videos on YouTube. Now from here, you can simply select the videos that you want to watch again and tap on it. And that's it. That's how you can see recently watched videos on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.